Northfleet tunnels. Or some more. Oh Jesus, look at the thickness of that.
Yeah, look.
Jesus.
See what I mean?
Look at the thickness of that.
Yeah.
God, that goes on for miles.
Yeah.
Jesus.
And this goes, there's another tunnel that goes
Parallel,
to this,
doesn't it?
because it goes like a H. Then you've got
Yeah.
the big machinery in the middle.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. The thickness of that door. Wow.
We won't get resolution. This is obviously, when it well warm, wasn't it?
So it would have been some other doors. Would have been another door entrance there. But obviously you can't get in there. All wood. Just a door, empty door, another entrance possibly, and just a little room.
Before we do that, we'll come and look at this tunnel, but we won't get resolution.
So that would have been another entrance.
Might be just
Can you believe my battery's draining already?
entangled.
Is it really?
Yeah, look.
Yeah. Well, let me tell you around and show you guys. So look at this door.
Wow.
Like, this is
Yeah, so we have been in here before, but it was a different side of the tunnel that we had been in before.
if people have seen
This is another part to it.
This hill.
No, I don't remember this. Right, we'll see. It's just a glass tunnel at the moment, so that's why I thought.
A few other entrances.
Turn you around on me quickly. So, tunnel, not very much. Not much headroom until you get down. Oh wow, look at this. Old woodwork. Another entrance. That smoke is dead. So yeah, military, definitely.
yeah, so this is
Definitely military.
underground. I would say underground.
Oh yeah, look, and before you, look.
The numbers.
And there, we missed that one. R&S, first aid room.
The world outside has changed forever.
Have you noticed?
Welcome to your future
Maria.
hell.
Okay,
Look
thanks.
up top, because it's so damp, you hardly have spiders, but then you look down there.
Cobwebs.
Yeah, but look all the bags and the spiders.
Yeah.
All down there.
Crazy.
Just in case.
Starting with the fucking nails on the floor. Look.
Look.
6 inch nails.
Oh god, yeah, look at the size of them nails.
There's 6 inch nails.
Look at them.
Yeah, be careful, first.
Yeah,
Look.
massive.
And that one, look, that's an 8 inch you just stood on.
That one.
Truly.
God, goes on.
It's even left an imprint.
Oh, there you go, look, sector R,
There you go.
centre seats.
Dad, like I said
Smoking,
today,
strictly forbidden.
if you look up, there's no spiders. But you look down one of them entrances,
And there's
it's full of
spiders.
spiders. And I think it's because it's burnt. Look at that tunnel, man. Look at that tunnel.
Yeah, just a bit of metal sticking out the floor.
Oh, it's Mum.
No, but I heard something.
Look at that.
Sector R. Oh Jesus, yeah, look at that.
Where did we fucking go?
Right, that says tunnel 3, look. Section R, tunnel 3, look.
You've
Oh
got
yeah,
down
tunnel
there.
3.
Right.
You've got down
Centre,
there.
centre seats. Tunnel 3.
They've opened it up for the next side. And then there's tunnels down there.
Oh wow. Look at that.
All the machinery.
So if you see or hear anything that we don't,
Section M, section N. Wow. So yeah,
in the comments.
it's absolutely massive in
Look
here.
at this.
I'm tripping up on stuff. If you do hear anything down here or see anything that we don't hear or see, then do
This is what you see before.
tell us.
Because if you remember, you can walk down. Oh, yeah.
But you're going to be
Do move some roofing sheets.
amazed by what I'm about to show you.
If you have a look at them properly, they're
This
actually
is
tunnel
actually
sheets.
crazy. Are you ready?
They're bent.
Yeah.
They're tunnel sheets, Jane. They're bent. Look,
Oh yeah.
all of them, look.
Look at
Well,
that.
this is the first time I've been in here, so...
I thought, I knew you hadn't been in.
Because the last time we tried to go
See
in
if I can
here,
get round there.
You can smell
Diesel.
Oh shit, sorry first.
That's because of the
because
diesel.
the last time we tried to come in here,
Jane, don't try and
We
walk
couldn't.
that way. You can walk back
Look
round.
at that.
yeah, come on, we'll walk back round.
Yeah, I'm
Wow.
just looking.
Yeah, you
That is
can see
mental.
that from the outside.
Maybe.
Wow.
That's John Farkin.
Yeah, it's absolutely massive in here. Goes around the bit. It just goes to the end of the door.
Anything
See
down there?
that? Not really, it's just the end of the door.
Another entrance.
It's another entrance. But just to show you guys, obviously spider web for a bit here, but look at the old. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. The old drum. Wow. Tunnel 3. There might be other explorers down here. There could be other explorers down here. People doing ghost hunting. Could be anywhere. Right,
You stop kicking shit.
let's
If it ain't
carry on,
personal,
shall we,
me.
guys? Look at that.
Something, or
Look at that.
picking up something, or end
Oh,
up in the
yeah,
arse.
the number.
112233 goes all the way up to
Yeah, so
12.
that's part of the-
That must have been like the seating or something. If you guys know what that would have been up there for, then let us know down below.
It's some there as well, on that side.
Yeah, look, you can see it that side as well. If you do know what it is, let us know.
Come on, battery's already showing its...
Yeah. Oh look, there's part of
look,
another
there we
part
go.
of the machinery.
You definitely smell the diesel, can't you?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
definitely smell the diesel. Tunnel
Oh
area.
shit, another hole.
That goes into the other side of it, which we walked through.
I was about to
First
say,
time we
what?
come- First time we
Can
come
I
over,
borrow your
we
torch
walked
just
over
for
that
2
way.
minutes, please? You know what? Is that a fucking spider?
Where?
Oh god, yeah, I see what you mean. No, it's
Right,
not
go
though.
on,
No,
let's go
it's-
down.
It's one of these.
Oh.
So it's one of them.
So I saw that and I was like, nah,
Somewhere.
that can't be a spider.
I thought that was a spider.
Yeah, so I'll probably go out there as well.
So I'll show you quickly what she thought was a spider. That there.
Oh, it's not.
It's part of the electrics actually. So they've so they've opened up the other wall.
He knows echo in here, doesn't he?
Oh, Dad, what's that right in front of you?
Like that.
Yeah.
It's pretty
Six.
toilet. Look.
Centre seats. They're saying centre seats.
I'm not the only one here.
Do you know what, Dad? It might be in the toilet. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, women.
Yeah.
No, I suppose that would have been the old
Distance.
screaming.
Yeah. If you are hearing this on the camera, I really do hope you are hearing what I'm hearing.
Mum's hearing screaming.
Then rewind it back and listen a few times.
To be
but
fair-
I'm almost certain I've heard it. Right in the distance.
You probably will hear screaming down
Normally
here
on the
because of
last
it being
day,
military.
Can't hear it. Let me know in
We're in the
comments.
women's section, so
Or if you see something, just let me know. So,
yeah.
just in case.
It's absolutely
I've missed
massive down
something.
here. If you haven't been down here, then you definitely need to be down here and just taking a walk around.
What is that thump?
Okay.
Put that rumble there.
I thought I did wonder that there was a rumble.
You're
Guys,
hearing
I'm hoping,
rumbles,
I'm
I'm in the
hoping you
distance
can hear
screams.
that rumble.
I heard a distant scream. Swear to God, I did.
I'm hoping you guys can hear this.
Yeah, I'm really hoping that I can hear.
Tunnel 4.
I'm trying to make sure Dad's not on the camera. But it's hard because it's just.
Do you know what? I give up.
There's another section.
It's all just... The walls are so small. So this is P.
So this is
But
like.
that's
First
not
aid
the
room.
entrance we come in before, though. We come in a different entrance.
The fuck is that?
That gap.
Is that just graffiti? Dad heard things again.
These tunnels have been really, really haunted.
I don't know what they're hearing, but I can't anything at the moment.
So these tunnels have been really, really haunted as well.
Did you just open them?
I thought it was you.
No.
Remember to keep my camera on the
Think of it, this could be really haunted as well.
Just too close to
Yeah, so think of it, this could be like Mum. Mum, if we hear stuff, you need to stay with us.
So first aid room would have been down there, as you can tell. It says to the first aid room down there, so first aid room would have been down there somewhere.
Section M.
That's where I just started.
No, not quite like that, but there was
So
movement.
Mum's hearing things. Mum's hearing things.
There was movement.
If it's
I had
easy
my
to
head
get
towards
through
one
and
point,
out,
having it on.
then yeah, I'll do.
Do you know, I've really got
The last time,
uneasy feeling.
I think the last time we were in these tunnels was, cool, when we was part of SESS actually, wasn't it? Years ago. And SESS ended, I believe, in 2008.
Maybe.
I think SESS ended. So that just goes to show how long ago it actually was since we've been back in these tunnels.
What?
Oh, Dad's found something funny.
Monsters beyond here.
Monsters beyond here.
Go.
Young guard.
If it's easy to get through, then yeah.
Creepy
Oh,
man.
blind myself. Creepy man, and it, as Dad's just pointed out, that it's saying. Okay, I heard what Mum heard.
That was just.
That.
What the fuck was that?
Like a.
Did you touch my
Did you touch my bag? No. Our bags must have touched.
Didn't look like you were that close enough.
Come on then. Is it easy to get in and out?
Okay. So we are going over on. Okay, you can't really see it, but that side now.
Yeah.
So,
All right, let's get coming in.
oh, I just see eyes.
What?
What?
Fuck off, did you see
I
eyes?
see eyes down the end of the tunnel.
No, shut up.
But they were white eyes.
Oh, man. You're going fucking last.
Cunt. I mean, oops, sorry.
Ah, you swore at me, bitch. I don't want to look down there.
I've got you.
See, she won't try.
John? That was just weird. But anyway, I'm going to stop you for 2 seconds just while we get over this wall.